Hey everybody, this is Eric for the Little Whitehouse, and it's a warm one out here today. I don't know, what is it? Well, my car's been sitting in the sun here. It says 99, but I don't think it's that hot. Anyway, I've been thinking on a couple of verses, and I wanted to share my thoughts with you. In James 1:5, it says, "Let anybody who lacks wisdom ask for it, and God will give it to him." But you have to, the next verse says, but you got to ask in faith and not doubt. And in Hebrews 38, it says that you have to have faith in things, and you can't draw back, and God isn't pleased with that. So I was thinking, it seems like between those two verses, it's pretty much saying attack, attack, attack. And I was thinking about Jonathan and his armor bearer. Now, Jonathan and his armor bearer, they said, well, we're going to go up and we're going to reveal ourselves to the Philistines. And when we do that, if they say, come on up here and we'll show you a thing or two, then we're going to know that God has given them into our hands. And if they don't say that, but they come down to us, we're still going to fight anyway. So that's what I, started thinking about. And of course, God allowed the Philistines to say, hey, come on up here. We're going to show you a thing or two. And then he through Jonathan and his armor bearer, show the Philistines a thing or two. But, in our lives today, everything that we go through when we're trying to do the right thing, we may have difficult circumstances, but the motto should be attack, attack, attack. Keep on going. Because you're doing the right thing. Don't let people tell you that you're not doing the right thing. Don't let circumstances dictate that it's too hard or that you can't do it because of some outside thing. If you believe it's the right thing to do, attack, 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 and keep on going, because that's what's going to get you the victory in the end. It's going to not only get you the victory down here, but it's going to get you the victory overall and take you forward to where God wants you to be, because everything down here is tied to getting up there. Not that we can earn our way to heaven, but when we do the right thing and we continue to do the right thing, it makes our characters ready for heaven. And they're the characters that God would have us to have. Not the characters that we were necessarily born with, but the characters that He wants to develop in us. Anyway, thanks for watching. God bless, and see you next time.